Good afternoon. Today we'll be looking at variables and expressions. Our objective is translating between words in algebra and evaluated algebraic expressions. For vocabulary, we're looking at what a variable is, constant, numerical expression, algebraic expression, and evaluate. A variable is a letter or a symbol used to represent a value that can change. Typically, you would see the letter X used in a lot of your expressions, especially from middle school math. That would be a variable as it represents a value that changes, hence the word variable. It varies. A constant is a value that does not change, and it's usually represented by a number that's by itself with no letter. For instance, 2 plus 2, those are two constants. Could be pi times 7, those are constants. A numerical expression contains only constants and operations, and an algebraic expression may contain variables, constants, and operations. You need to translate between algebraic expressions and words to be successful in math. When solving word problems, you have to be able to figure out what the problem is asking by looking at keywords to consider what your problem-solving plan will be and also what math operation you will use. For addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, these are some of the most common words that would be represented. Can you think of any others? When looking at multiplication in algebra, there are many ways to write an expression for multiplication. All these expressions below means 2 times y. Typically, we use a number and then the variable, which represents multiplication. So whenever you see a number next to a variable, like 2y, it means 2 times y, whatever y is at that time. In algebra, we do not use 2xy as the x is used as a variable. To translate words into algebraic expression, look for words that indicate the action that is taking place. For addition, you think of words that means put together or combine. For subtraction, find how much more or less. Multiply, put together, equal groups. Divide, separate into equal groups. Let's take a look at some examples. Here you're asked to give 2 ways to write each algebraic expressions in words. What are your 2 ways? We have the sum of 9 and r, 9 increased by r. Those all mean 9 plus r. Q minus 3 would be the difference of q and 3 less than q. If you notice, for the second one, we have 3 less than q. That means 3 is being taken away from q. This is a problem that a lot of students have. They tend to write the problem exactly as shown, but in this case, 3 less than q means q is the total and you're taking 3 away from it. 7m would be the product of m and 7, m times 7. J divided by 6, we have the quotient of j and 6, or j divided by 6. Try these.